Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. USD CAD snaps 2-day losing streak as US dollar gains beat WTI recover at ntvforex.com. News ID 27EF983 3 minutes ago by Anil Panchal. USD CAD justifies the previous dayâ pullback from 1.3270. Greenback keeps the throne amid mixed sentiment. WTI ignores API data. US CPI will decorate the calendar. Risk catalysts can entertain traders as well. USD CAD keeps the early Asian recovery gains while trading around 1.3330, up 0.28% on a day, ahead of Wednesdayâ's European session. Amid a lack of domestic catalysts and the marketâ's emphasis on the US dollar gains, the loonie pair fails to take clues from the recent recovery in WTI, Canadaâ's biggest export item. The American currency recovers from more than 2-year low amid hopes of US stimulus and vaccine news. US dollar index DXY prints 4-day winning streak while taking the bids near 93.85, up 0.21% on a day, by the press time. Even if American Congress hasn't yet started discussing the coronavirus COVID-19 relief package, markets stay upbeat amid expectations that President Donald Trump will conquer any barriers as he recently did with executive orders for unemployment benefits. Talking about the vaccine, the Republican leader Trump cited a deal with Moderna to mark his efforts to overcome the pandemic. On the contrary, WTI fails to respect weekly inventory data from the private data provider the American Petroleum Institute's API. As per the latest upside, API weekly crude oil stock eased the previous declines in inventories while flashing a draw of 4.4 m during the week ending on August 7. The reason could be traced from the marketâ's concerns that the US and China's Phase 1 deal is still on the table and can confront the virus-led economic slowdown. After yesterday's upbeat comments from the PPA's Bank of China's PBOC Governor Yi Gang, China's vice foreign minister showed readiness to keep the trade talks on the table. Elsewhere, Wednesdayâ's QE fails to derail market sentiment ahead of the U.S. Consumer Price Index CPI data for July. The headline's inflation is expected to recover from 0.6% prior to 0.8%, but the CPI ex-food amp energy YoY may recede from 1.2% to 1.1% during the reported month. Other than the U.S. CPI, traders will also keep eyes on the US-China trade news, virus updates, and news on the US aid package for further direction. Technical analysis bearish MACD and 5 weeks of continuous decline favor the USD CAD bears. As a result, a confluence of 200-week SMA and an ascending trend line from February 2018, around 1.317570 become the landmark for traders. On the contrary, any pullback will be considered ephemeral unless crossing a downward sloping trend line from March high, at 1.3430 now. Additional important levels overview: today last price 1.3338, today daily change 37 pips, today daily change percent 0.28%, today daily open 1.3301, NBSP trends daily SMA 20 1.3406, daily SMA 50 1.3498, daily SMA 100 1.375, daily SMA 200 1.3531, NBSP levels: previous daily high 1.3361, previous daily low 1.3271, previous weekly high 1.3451, previous weekly low 1.3234, previous monthly high 1.3646, previous monthly low 1.3331, daily Fibonacci 38.2%, 1.3305, daily Fibonacci 61.8%, 1.3326, daily pivot point S1 1.3261, daily pivot point S2 1.3221, daily pivot point S3 1.3171, daily pivot point R1 1.3351, daily pivot point R2 1.3401, daily pivot point R3 1.3441, NBSP. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://m.me/mt5.expert.advisors.